Sound. What does it mean to you? Suffering from hearing loss, I ask this question frequently. I underestimated the beauty of sounds I had missed in my life. Without sound, there is no music. Sound enables me to understand the ones I care about. Imagine the moments I would have missed without a hearing aid.
Hey, sounds like good help.
The inspiration I derive from sound draws me into the beauty of life. The Signia hearing aid allows me to experience life to the fullest and to appreciate all the precious moments in between.